Success doesn't start when you have money. It starts when you get angry enough at your situation that you refuse to stay the same. Every millionaire, every success story you have ever admired started with that silent moment of frustration. The day you look at your debts, your bills, and say to yourself, no more. Because the truth is, life doesn't change when you want it to. Life changes when you decide you desire better and you start moving differently. There comes a day in every person's life when something inside them snaps, not in a bad way, but in a powerful way. It's the day you will look around at your life, your job, your bank account, your habits, and you will say to yourself, this can be it. That is the moment everything changes.